Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Satudogs. Today we are going to see some wildlife quiz questions on mammals. Let's start.
What are mammals?
Mammals are species that give birth to young ones.
Which animal is also known as a firefox?
Red panda,
Which Indian macaque has a black face, a long mane, and a beard of silver grey hair that frames its face?
lion-tailed macaque,
Which cream colored monkey was named after the tea planter naturalist E.P. Gee, who in 1953 provided evidence of its existence?
golden langur,
Name the animal also known as the Indian bison.
gaur,
Which animal is also referred to as the water dog?
otter,
Where are marmots found in India?
Himalayas,
What is the gestation period of an Asian elephant?
22 months.
Which animal has the largest brain among all land mammals?
Elephant,
Which is the largest Asian antelope?
nilgai,
Name the smallest wild cat found in India.
rusty spotted cat,
Which mammal has been recorded to have the widest horn span of any living wild animal in the world?
Asiatic wild buffalo,
To which group of animals does the marmot belong?
rodents,
Which of the following animals is not a mammal? Whale shark or blue whale or common dolphin or walrus?
whale shark,
Which animal has a heart that weighs up to 900 kg and is the size of a small car?
blue whale,
How many muscles does an elephant have in its trunk?
40,000,
Which are the only mammals that can fly?
bats,
To which family of mammals does the prairie dog belong?
rats,
What are monotremes?
mammals that lay eggs,
What method do Gangetic river dolphins use to navigate and forage?
echolocation,
Unlike most big cats, this one cannot roar. Name that cat.
snow leopard,
Which is a wild goat with distinctly backward curving horns?
Himalayan tahr,
Besides man, name the most common primate found in India.
rhesus macaque,
Which predator is also referred to as the whistling hunter?
dhole,
Dancing deer is the name for which endangered species?
elk deer,
Name the state mammal of Uttarakhand.
musk deer,
White tigers have been selectively bred by zoos. What is a commonly known abnormality that many of them suffer from?
crossed eyes,
In India, the sloth bear is poached primarily for one particular body part. Which one?
gallbladder,
Which is the only ape found in India?
hula gibbon,
What is the Tibetan wild ass also known as?
kiang,
How many species of big cats are found in our country?
5,
The age of a male Asiatic ibex can be calculated by looking at its.
horns,
What is a group of tigers called?
streak or ambush,
Which creatures belong to the genus Panthera?
Big cats.
A flying fox is actually a...
Bat.
What is the other common name of the Indian wild dog?
Dhole.
The head of an elephant family is called...
Matriarch. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Satu Rogs.